Picture it.
New Bedford, Massachusetts, on Saturday, April 13th, 2024. Jimmy Geranchi. Sorry about that. Sassy Angel Events presents a Golden Girls Drag Brunch, direct from Off-Broadway, Las Vegas and London. They're the Golden Gays, the premier Golden Girls Drag Troupe, touring internationally. Travel down the road and back again with Dorothy, Rose, and Blanche. Come enjoy your favorite gal pals with some brunch food, drinks, live singing, and more. Ann Miller and more. She won't be there. You will have the chance to become our next token, Sophia. So thank you for being a friend. Saturday, April 13th at 12 p.m. right there at the Whaler Inn and Suites, 500 Hathaway Road in New Bedford, Massachusetts. Tickets are on sale at Eventbrite, so head to the link. There will be live performances by Beatrix, Eglantine, Aurthurson, LYNDA with a Y, and Haley Starr. We'll see you there, pals and confidants, at the Whaler Inn and Suites. Thank you for being a friend. Travel down to New Bedford and back again. Your heart is full of brunch food. You're a pal and a confidant who drinks champagne in the morning.